Good morning. After the long Easter weekends, the world market will try to remain resurrected despite of a series of headwinds. As has been the case lately, earnings will continue to dominate the headlines for a few more days. Talking of India, the disappointment from the index bellwether Reliance could put a lid on gains at least in the early trade. The start could be subdued, but we could see some positive action later in the day. Overall, the undertone should remain upbeat as equities across the globe have been resilient in the face of sovereign debt concerns, Middle East North Africa tension, and inflation worries. For India, the good thing is FIs continue to remain net buyers. Although results have been mixed, year on year, the growth in sales and profit is robust. Inflation remains a major pressure point, resulting in expectations of further rate hikes. The trend may turn slightly choppy ahead of the FNO expiry on Thursday. The Nifty may face resistance around 5,900, while a strong support is likely at 5,700 in case of a fresh downside. The Nifty might touch 5,935 in the near term if the momentum sustains. It could even breach 6,000 in the coming days provided the overseas market are supportive and the foreign funds remain the net buyers. Bearish implications prevails only if Nifty falls below 5,800. Banks could gain on reports that the RBI has eased norms for loan loss provisions. Axis Bank is likely to be in action after its result. Subex and JB Chemicals will be in spotlight amid M&A buzz. Shares of Unitech, DB Realty and ADAG companies will be in focus as the Delhi High Court takes up the bail application of the 5 officials named by the CBI in the 2G spectrum scam on Tuesday. The report suggests that the CBI is expected to add a few more people, including DMK Rajya Sabha member Kanimozhi, in its new charge sheet today. FIs were net buyers of Rs 3.07 billion in the cash segment on Thursday according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutional investors were net sellers at Rs 2.69 billion on the same day. In the FNO segment, the foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 8.48 billion. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 4.62 billion on Wednesday as per the SEBI data. Mutual funds were net sellers at Rs 36 million on the same day. US stocks ended higher for the third straight session on Thursday, pushing the Dow Jones Industrial Average to multi-year high. European stocks advanced as well on strong earnings. Most Asian markets are up, though Chinese stocks are in the red due to conjecture of fresh tightening moves by the policymakers. Meanwhile, the Fed will hold a two-day policy meeting ending on Wednesday. Ben Bernanke will hold a news conference. First quarter US GDP data is due on Thursday. The week ahead includes reports from the Dow Components and 180 S&P 500 companies. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we recommend traders to buy Apollo tires above Rs 73 with a stop loss placed at Rs 71 and for the target price of Rs 77. We advise buying Pantaloon Retail in the range of Rs 272 to Rs 274.5 with a stop loss placed at Rs 269.5 and for the target price of Rs 284.5. Our derivative strategy for the day are: long Everest Canto Cylinder Limited April futures in the range of Rs 87.5 to Rs 88 for the target price of Rs 91.5 and a stop loss placed at Rs 86. Long Exide Industry April futures in the range of Rs 143 to Rs 144 for a target price of Rs 149 and a stop loss placed at Rs 141. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.